warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake, until 6 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waukegan Harbor to 20 nautical miles west of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 60 knots. Wind gusts to 40 knots. Radar indicated. Impact. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, and Wilmette Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The severe thunderstorm warning for